The name razor clam is used to refer to a variety of clam species that inhabit soft tidal substrates. Many species of razor clams are favorably recognized for their taste and texture and have been commercially harvested throughout the world. Pacific razor clams can be found on ocean beaches from California to Alaska. They live in surf-swept and somewhat protected sand beaches that are exposed at low tide. All the clams position themselves on the beach in the same way, with hinges pointing to the sea. The clams can dig up to a foot in a minute. They feed on tiny plankton filtered from the seawater. They have two siphons, one to ingest food and one smaller siphon to eliminate waste. Animals like birds, crabs, and flounders prey on them. The clams have a heart with an open circulatory system. The blood is copper-based. They mature as early as the third growing season. Breeding occurs between May and September as water temperatures rise. There are separate males and females. Eggs and sperm are discharged onto wet sand and seawater. Fertilization occurs by chance. The larger the female razor clam, the greater number of eggs produced. Larvae possess short, hair-like projections called cilia. Cilia are used for propulsion. The free-swimming larval period may last 5 to 16 weeks. Then, the shells begin to form. Young clams take up residence in the sand. During certain times of the year, marine toxins, produced by some species of algae, are taken in by razor clams and concentrated. When ingested, these toxins may cause illness. In very high concentrations, the toxins can be fatal to humans. Pacific razor clams are one of the most sought-after shellfish in the state of Washington. The Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife regularly provides razor clams from various ocean beaches to the Washington Department of Health to be tested for toxins to ensure safe harvesting. Harvest times in Washington are regulated so that the clams have time to spawn and grow. They can be manually harvested with a clam shovel at low tide. In Washington, the clams grow 3 to 6 inches long and live about 5 years. Razor clams found in Alaska may grow to 11 inches long and live to be 15 years old. This is due to colder water temperatures and slower growth rates. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.